Good evening, everybody. It is June the 1st, 2019. It is 5:08. This is your 5 o'clock earthquake report. All right, here we go. There was a 2.6 Tennessee, 2 miles southeast of Manchester, 0 miles in depth. A 2.6 Washington State, 2 miles southwest of Erlands Point, Kitspa Lake at 15 miles in depth. Let me turn the alarm off on this one. All right. There was a 4.6 Central Peru at 32 miles in depth. A 4.5 Albania at 1.2 miles in depth. And I'm going to get into the Albania at the end of this video, okay? There was a 4.4 Greece at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 Central Peru at 9.3 miles in depth. A 4.0 Simba region, Indonesia at 8.6 miles in depth. A 4.0 Indonesia at 74.5 miles in depth. A 4.2 Albania at 11.8 miles in depth. A 3.7 Papua, Indonesia at 34.7 miles in depth. A 3.5 Central Turkey at 0 miles in depth. A 3.7 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 3.5 Southern Peru at 8.0 miles in depth. A 3.0 Southern Nevada, that was 11 miles southeast of Alamo, that came in at 8 miles in depth. A 2.8 Southern Nevada, 17 miles southeast of Alamo at 12 miles in depth. A 3.0 Los Lagos, Chile region at 8.0 miles in depth. A 3.0 Central Turkey at 3.1 miles in depth. A 2.7 Central California, 9 miles southeast of Tres Payos at 2 miles in depth. A 2.6 Southern Nevada, 8 miles southeast of Alamo, and that came in at 8.6 miles in depth. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of this earthquake report. Now, let's get to Albania and the Greece region. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more small quakes since the 5.2 earthquake this morning. This was ranging from a 2.6 to a 3.2. Now, I put a link in the bottom of the description box where you can go to EMSC and check these out if you feel like it, all right? So that's what we got. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are totally awesome. Now, until Albania, Greece border region settles down a little bit from the big earthquake this morning, there's going to be all kinds of these aftershocks, okay? And I'm going to treat them just the way I treated the ones in Hawaii, when Hawaii had the big earthquake. I'll give you the smallest to the largest and how many, alrighty? That way I'm not having to do 2 earthquake reports for the evening or morning or whenever it happens to be. Alright, you guys are totally awesome. 2 thumbs up. Have yourself a great evening. I'll be back at midnight for the midnight report.